Want to change your wallpaper on iPhone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your iPhone wallpaper step by step. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down a little and tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap Add New Wallpaper. Here you'll see different options like Photos, Photo Shuffle, Emoji, Weather, Color, and more. If you want to use a picture from your gallery, just tap on Photos and choose the image you want as your new iPhone wallpaper. After selecting the photo, you can adjust or zoom the image however you like. Then tap Done in the top right corner. Now select Set as Wallpaper Pair to apply it to both your lock screen and home screen. And that's it. Your iPhone wallpaper has been changed successfully. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.